Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Honeygain payment proof, and I'm also going to be showing you how you can actually get an instant payout is now available through Honeygain as well. So whether you are already a member or whether you don't even know what Honeygain is, stay tuned right to the very end because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know if you're brand new, and also what you're going to need to know about how you can get this instant payout now via Honeygain. Okay, so as you can see, we've come on to the honeygain.com. And for those of you who don't actually know, I'm just going to whiz through and do like a 30 seconds overview of what actually Honeygain is. So if you actually have got unlimited internet in your home or in the workplace or anything like that, then this could be good for you because you can actually earn passively by selling your excess internet. All it means is you download the app to your phone or your tablet, and it can be your PC as well. Once you activate it, you can then just leave it running in the background. It will gather your excess internet and then change it into some dollars for you. And like I say, this is totally passive. You have nothing to do once you've actually downloaded and activated the app. And in this video, we're going to actually show you how you can actually get instantly paid out as well via Honeygain, where before they used to have a $20 limit you had to actually hit before you could actually go and withdraw. So let's go over to the dashboard now, go through a little bit more details about it and show you exactly how you can activate your instant payout option on Honeygain. Okay, so we've come across to my Honeygain dashboard here, and as you can see, I've got a current balance here of 21,203, which is great because that means obviously I can request a payout. But as you can see up in the top right hand corner here, I've got it set on Honeygain here. But if you actually look at this part here, it says jump task. Okay, so you can actually switch it to jump task. Now, jump task obviously is fairly new to Honeygain, and all you have to do is just set up a wallet, and so that you can actually go and then get paid via the jump task method, which means that you don't have to wait until you get to the $20 before you can actually withdraw. So all you have to do is literally come into here, into your desktop, or you can do it on the mobile app as well, and just click over to the jump task. And as it says here, it says you're about to discover the jump task mode. And actually, for creating this at the moment, if you did actually withdraw via the jump task mode, they are actually giving you a 50% bonus into your wallet when you actually withdraw. So for argument's sake, I had $20 there, so I would actually get $30 worth that will go into my jump task wallet. So it says obviously let's start. So you just click on the let's start here, and then you obviously got to link your actual wallet. So they recommend obviously using the MetaMask wallet. Okay, so you just click on the MetaMask wallet. Use your public key for your existing BSC wallet as well, and then just click on the submit, and then you will be all set up. Just follow the details and you'll be all set up, ready to go. So you can then, like I say, you will have no limit that you'd have to actually have before you can withdraw from Honeygain. But of course, you don't need to get it through jump task. You can just keep it on the Honeygain itself, which means that you can obviously withdraw directly to your PayPal account. Now, and that's what I'm going to just show you how quick and easy it is to do right now. So like I say, with the Honeygain, and if you want to withdraw cash, you do need a balance of 20,000 points here. And also, if you were new to Honeygain and you haven't actually joined and started Honeygain, check out the link in the description below where you can actually pick up, if you join through that link, I will actually give you 5,000 bonus points into your account to get you started. So you've already got $5 straight into your account for you to build even quicker to actually withdraw. So let's just go and show you exactly how quick and easy it is to withdraw. So all you do here is when you hit the 20,000 points, it will actually come up request payout here. So literally you just click on the request payout. Now you've got option here still. You can obviously do PayPal, you've got the Jumpstart, and you've got Bitcoin available. Okay, so these are the different options. And remember, there is a transaction fee with PayPal. So PayPal is 15%. Again, the Jumpstart is free, and obviously the Bitcoin is 7%. So, guys, so again, if you want to obviously get more for your money out of Honeygain, then the Jump Task is definitely the way to go. I'm going to do, I'm going to actually do another video once I've taken this money out, because it's going to reset to 0, and it'll just show you how quick and easy you can actually use the Jumpstart mode to actually go and pull out. So I want to choose PayPal for this method today. Just press on the continue, and then all you do is literally click on the request payout, and it does say it usually takes up to 48 hours to process any request, so please be patient. You've just got a security before checking, so they're going to send a security code to my email inbox. So I'm going to pick that up on my mobile. Okay, so I've got my code here, so I'm just going to put that in, submit the code, and there we go. Your $21.20 is on its way. Obviously, should be with you within the 48 hours. So that's it. That's all you got to do. Just click on the OK, and you'll be taken back. And as you can see, my current balance now is 0. So like I say, I'm going to let this go for a couple of days, and then I'm going to pull out via the Jump Task method as well, just to make sure that you can obviously pull out instantly as and when you earn. You haven't got to hit that $20 mark. So again, if you haven't already activated your Jumpstart, probably a good idea to do it, because obviously you're going to get less fees. And also, if you haven't already even joined Honeygain, now there is the time to obviously click the link below and join Honeygain. Start obviously earning passive income just by reselling your excess internet. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Obviously, leave any comments, questions below, and if I can help you, I will. Also, make sure you watch these videos next, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.